What is up, you guys? My name is Noelle Roth. I'm a professional actor, singer, dancer, and I have 3 callbacks this week. So come with me to my callbacks. I'm in the bathroom of my first callback. It's a ballet callback. I just danced on point. Now I've been asked to stay to do some partnering, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, it's going really well so far. So that clip you just saw was from my first callback of the week, which was a point callback. And I didn't film anything before because I was kind of nervous, honestly. But I think the callback went really well overall. We danced, we partnered, we sang, I read. All in all, I was there for about 5 hours, and now I'm just basically waiting to hear, but I felt good about how it went. Today's callback is another one that I'm really nervous and excited for. I'm actually called back for 3 different roles for this, and there's one that I want more than the other 2, but I would be happy with any of them. So I'm excited about how today's gonna go. We're gonna dance first, I know that, and after that I would assume we'd probably sing and read, but I don't know like how long I'll be there or if they're gonna have me read for all 3 characters. So I don't know, let's see how it goes. Alright, you guys, I just finished my second callback of the week, and I think that it went really, really well. I think it went really, really well. We danced first, then they made a big cut. I was asked to dance a second time, which is usually a good thing. Then they, like I said, they made a big cut, and we sang. Felt like the singing went really well. We sang in quartets, so I got to sing with all the other parts. And then after we finished singing, I was called back for 3 roles for this show. And originally afterwards, after we finished singing, they're like, you're gonna only read for one of the roles that you were called back for. And I was like, okay, great. But then, so I was waiting to go in and read for one of those roles and practicing those sides. And then somebody came back in and said, just kidding, Noelle, come here and bring these other sides with you. So I ended up reading for 2 of the roles that I was called back for. Yeah, and I felt really good about it. So now we just wait to hear. But I am starving, so I'm gonna go drive. It's gonna take me like an hour to get home, and then I'm gonna eat some food. So I just made it home. It took me about an hour to drive home, and it's crazy what sitting alone for an hour will do to your mind, because I've spent the last hour overthinking absolutely everything I did, didn't do, said, how I performed in that callback. And when I left the callback, I was like, I felt good about it. But now I've just overthought it so much that I'm like, oh my god, what if it didn't go well? Like, what if I don't book this? What if I don't, what ifing, you know? And this is just like the reality, I feel like, of like callbacks and auditions. It's so hard to not do this. Realistically, do I think I probably did well? Of course, I made it through all the rounds. I didn't get cut. I read my sides. But now it's just like that, like, well, did I book kind of thing. And I know there's always things you can improve on. Like, there's always things I can improve on when I go to an audition. There's always things that I did well. There's always things I can improve on. But it's just so hard to not overthink. So, yeah, that's kind of where I'm at with that. But got one more callback this week. Time to focus on that. Good morning, you guys. I look like I just woke up because I did. I have all my clothes laid out there. I'm going to my 3rd and final callback of the week. This should be pretty chill. I think I'm just singing. I'm singing from my own book. They said there's a chance I could get asked to stay and like do a little movement call later and read some sides, but we'll see. I don't know. So I'm gonna put makeup on right now and get ready. I just finished the audition and I left my sweater in there, so I have to go back in, and that is so embarrassing. That audition did not go too well. I got in there and they had asked me to prepare a musical theater song and a pop standard. But I was like, what does pop standard mean? Because there's pop standards from like every decade. So I came in with a 60s pop song. But then when I heard what everybody was singing, I was like, oh, I don't think that's the vibe, actually. And then the monitor was like, hey, like, go ahead and go in and sing like a pop rock upbeat that's what we're looking for. So I changed my song last minute. I went in to sing. The accompanist was great. She was so sweet. However, I gave her a tempo that was too slow. It was completely my fault. And then the song was harder to sing because I had given her a tempo that was too slow. And I don't know. I just felt like I didn't sing well. I felt just like switching my song at the last minute was probably not a good idea, but I did it anyways because I thought what I prepared didn't fit what they were asking for. Anyways, I did not feel good about it. And they were like, just hang out in the... They did not ask me to sing a second song. I hung out in the waiting room and they were like, we'll come talk to you. And then they came and told me, that's all we need to see for today. So they didn't ask me to come back and dance later or read sides or anything like that. So I'm thinking I got cut, basically. Which is fine, you know, it's fine. I did not feel good about it, so that's today's callback. And like, also, I'm trying to like talk myself off a ledge right now because just because I had one bad audition or one bad callback doesn't mean that I'm a terrible performer or a terrible singer or a terrible actor or any of those things. And it is so hard to not think that, and maybe that's just like my very extreme way of thinking and looking at life. But I have one bad audition or one bad callback and I'm like, I'm a horrible singer, I'm a horrible actor, nobody wants to hire me, I'm a terrible performer. And that's just like not the truth. It just happens to everybody, and today was not a great day for me. I'll do better next time and it'll be okay. It just kind of sucks that this was the audition that I felt like that about, because this audition was for a place that doesn't frequently have auditions for things that I'm right for. So I'm kind of bummed that I feel like I blew that audition a little bit, but it happens and I just gotta move on to the next thing, which is another callback that I'm really, really excited for. That's next week. So we'll see. Okay, you guys, I got home from my audition. I filmed a video. I ran a couple errands and I was like, I need my post-audition treat. So today my post-audition treat was In-N-Out. It's waiting for me downstairs. I got a grilled cheese because I'm a vegetarian. So I'm excited to eat that, but some of these callbacks went great. Some of these callbacks did not go good, as you saw. But thank you so much for joining me. And I have more callbacks next week. So if you'd like to come along for those, let me know. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what else you want to see. But thank you so much for coming with me on my callbacks, and I'll see you next time. Bye! I got my In-N-Out. Yes, I got 2 offers this week, and I can't tell you what they are yet, but I'm so excited to announce them to you guys. Okay, bye.